prokaryotes, eukaryotes, and viruses, is I'm going to discuss everything on the outside of the cell, then everything on the inside. Right? So here we are talking about bacterium, right? So we'll talk about all these things on the outside, their cell wall, all the things on the inside. So let's go ahead and do this right now. On the outside, you'll notice that they've got fimbriae. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
All of these things put away. Every single one of these things on your exam. Every single one. Wait. I'll tell you which ones are not going to be on the exam. Actin cytoskeleton. You see that? Don't you have this PowerPoint anyway? Right. So actin cytoskeleton is not going to be on the exam. And nucleid chromosome is not going to be on the exam. Cytoplasmic matrix won't be on the exam. But everything else on there is. All right, let's take a look at some of the stuff on the outside. Fimbriae, a flagellum. So let me tell you what they're for, what they do. You ready? We'll get to the slide later in a minute. Fimbriae are not for motility. Ever, ever, ever. Fimbriae are so these organisms can stick to things. Your teeth, toilet, the faucets. I had my teeth cleaned today. Whenever I get my teeth cleaned, I don't want to eat. I don't want to spoil it. Not eating, no, I'm not doing that. I starved myself for like 2 days. Because I'm thinking, no, I'm not ruining this. No. All right, so it's fine, I'll just eat everything. All right, so these fimbriae are some of the things that allow these organisms to stick to your teeth, stick to things. Why? Because that's where the cafeteria line is. Right? These organisms want to stick to places where food can be found. But there are other organisms that might not have fimbriae. They might have flagella. Is that going to be for motility? Yeah. Absolutely it is, because some of these organisms have to go to where the food can be found. And another thing that you'll find on the exterior is a thing called a pili or pilus. You know what this is for? Having sex.